Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I promised I was done with the Halloween crafts. Here are a couple Halloween snacks I'll be doing for my residents this year. This first snack I've made is just a little pumpkin themed water bottle with a sugar-free orange soda mix attached to the side, trying to make sure I don't give my residents all sugar this year. So the first thing you'll need is small water bottles, pipe cleaners, orange soda mixes, and tape. So my first step here was getting all my waters, and I just ripped open all the packages and pulled off all the labeling, being careful to get as much of the paper off of the bottle as I could. A 6-pack of bottles isn't bad, a party amount isn't bad, a facility amount is a handful. From there, I just started experimenting with how I wanted to get the faces on the water bottle. I decided to go with printing them, as it was going to be time-saving and cleaner looking altogether. I just went ahead and printed this out on a table in Word, and then printed it again on orange paper. From there, I just cut out a couple of the faces so I could get a couple of the bottles done, give myself an idea of what I was working with. And I actually asked my staff to help me cut out the rest of them. So shout out to them. Thank you for your help with this project. So I just took some tape that I also had purchased from the Dollar Tree and kind of rolled it up to make a little double-sided sticky roll of tape, because they didn't have the double-sided when I went. But I did take the time to put 2 on each of these little pieces of paper because I didn't want them curling up on the edges or anything. I wanted them to look good. Then I just taped a package of the orange soda mix. In this video you see I'm using a pineapple one because I didn't want to waste my orange soda ones on my sample products. But all I did was tape it to the side and move on from there. Pretty cute so far. Now I am adding the pipe cleaner little decorative stem. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible, just giving myself a tiny little edge there to twist it on, because I wanted to leave as much possible for curling since I did cut all of these pipe cleaners in half. Based on the way I decided to attach it to the bottle, you could have left the pipe cleaner whole and curled it all together. Here I used a pin. Later on in the video you will see I switched to a skewer because it's a little thinner and the pipe cleaner is a little short to work with. I'm still pretty happy with the overall product though. And here's my cute little pumpkin bottle. Okay, the only change I made here was the way I taped the orange soda to the side. I thought it looked cleaner and it would be easy to transport 100 plus of these to work if they were taped to the side versus hanging off the edge. And these are the little wooden skewers I was talking about earlier that I switched to for curling the cut in half pipe cleaners. So nothing to do from here but to get my assembly line going. I had already stripped all the water bottles of their labels, and so now I'm going through one at a time and taping on all the faces. Here we are, about halfway through taping the faces on the bottles. Many more to go. And here I am finishing up the last 6-pack of the faces. On to the next step. Thanks to my friend Dahlia coming over after work, we finished taping all the orange soda mixes to the side of the bottles. Thank you again, Dahlia, for all your help. Dahlia and I then curled all the pipe cleaners after attaching them to the tops of the water bottles. This really goes a lot faster when you have a friend willing to come over and help you out. I really appreciated it. And here is the final product. We are all done. Made about 104 of these water bottles. Hope my residents love them. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. More fun videos to follow. And have a happy Halloween!